If you're a camper, hiker, prepper, or just an outdoorsy person and you don't have a garden, you need to step up your game. Hey everybody, Tony and Alien here from Beastmode Camping. In this video, I'm going to show you exactly what you need to make sure your garden doesn't turn out like garbage. Thanks, buddy. Do yourself a favor. It's therapeutic, feels good. You get to eat right off the vine. And so many times I grab a jalapeno and throw it in whatever dish that I'm cooking. You're good to go. Now I know some of you may have tried and failed, but I'm about to give you a few tips that'll make it easy on you. Let's see what we need here. For those of you saying, I don't have a green thumb, I can't do all that. Get that out of there. You need seeds, dirt, water, and sunlight. Don't forget to feed them. They do get hungry. I feed mine at least once every 2 weeks, but I may not want something as glorious as this. Look at that. Now, if you're a novice, do yourself a favor and get yourself a raised flower bed. Come in a bunch of different options. This little red one down here is all right. The thing about this one is you can't overfill it. Once the reservoir gets too high, it's emptying out. Now with these raised flower beds, you can always fill them up like halfway, if not a bit more. Just don't fill them all the way up to where it drowns your plants. I have done that in the past. Don't do it. Fill them up about halfway. That way it'll last all day long and your plants are gonna get nice and healthy. Especially when you've got a lot of fruit. You wanna make sure that you're not filling them up, giving them water, and then depriving them of water. What you're gonna do then is have a bunch of stretch marks on your plants where they're gonna wilt and die altogether. You've got this tap right here. So you know when you're good to go. I come out here and check it a couple times a day, especially in this Texas heat when we got 100+ degree temperatures. Usually I'll do one at 11 o'clock at night, so drink a fair amount of water and transpire that during the night. And I go ahead and usually around 11 a.m., maybe around noon, go ahead and fill it up again. Those things are awesome. Highly recommended. This is the part where you let us know you dig the content. Hit that subscribe button. Now, if you really want to supercharge them, grab your old eggshells and coffee grounds. That'll give you a huge boost of calcium and nitrogen. Once you do that, you're going to have more food than you know what to do with. And inevitably, you're going to want to start canning them. Now in the comments, I want to see what you guys are growing. Show me the progress you're making. Look at that, Bad Daddy. Show me the progress you're making, what kind of stuff you're growing, where you're at, and how good it's growing for that climate. Love to know. And let's do a challenge here. What do you guys want me to try out next? Thanks for watching. Don't forget to follow, like, subscribe, and ring that bell for more great content. Drop in a comment if you like.